Hi guys, and welcome to the fifth, I believe, update for my 2021 project pan. 21 makeup products till the end of 2021. I have made some really good progress. I have 6 empty products and I have made some really good progress on the remaining items. Let's start from the products that I have managed to use up. L'Oreal New Nude Magique BB Cream. Now this product is a little bit confusing because in the last update I marked it over here, which means I have used up over the last 30 or so days all of this, and that's a lot. I suspect that I probably marked it in the wrong place to begin with because I really don't think that I would have used up over twice the amount of product that I did in the month before. As you can see, that's where I was more or less starting. This is not a see-through tube, so I couldn't really tell exactly where I was, but I didn't use it very much. I mean, I used it literally a couple of times before I introduced it into this project pan. Nevertheless, I have used up a lot of this BB cream, so this is now an empty product. Surprising empty, to be fair. This is one of the oldest face products that I have in my makeup collection. I have 2 more that are pretty much equally as old, and I will be introducing one of them into this project pan. But I'll show you that product once I've shown you all of the empties. Another surprising empty is this blush. This is the Bourjois Aqua blush in Kokori Coral. I was never really able to tell where I was because, of course, you can see that this is not a see-through tube, but this is completely empty now. You will not be able to see inside it. I can't really see inside it. I use a flashlight to really see how much product I have in this tube, and at this point I can't get any more product out. I have used a little eyeshadow brush to literally scrape the walls, so I am confident that this product is completely done. It was lovely. I love this product. I am glad it's out of my collection because the pump no longer worked. But other than that, it was a beautiful product, so I really enjoyed using it in this project pan. Maybe not a particularly surprising empty, but nevertheless a big accomplishment. I have managed to use up my Avon eyeshadow. I initially introduced both eyeshadows from this duo. I used up one of them quite a while back, then literally a few weeks ago I finished the other one, so I can now get rid of the whole duo because it is now an empty product. The least surprising empty out of all of the ones I have in this video is this contouring powder. This was from Inglot. I have completely used it up, as you can see. I use it up really fast. I was really surprised with the fact that I literally used it up within 2, maybe 2.5 months. Overall, it was very powdery. It was nice. It was really nice. But I'm just thinking, that's really fast to use up an entire contouring powder. One more empty. I actually forgot about it. This is a lip gloss. This is by Max Factor. I don't know the name of the lip gloss, but this is in Luscious Amethyst. There was very little left. In the last update, it was somewhere here. I can see a very faint line from the last update. It was a really nice lip gloss, but I just wanted to use it up because it was first pretty old, second there was almost nothing left, so I was like, okay, I might as well just get rid of it. And the last empty is my nail polish. This is by Revlon and that was in 585 Bohemian. If you look at the marks on the bottle, it was a very steady progress throughout the year. I did my very best to use this up by this update, so I did actually use it on my nails and my toes in the last few weeks, just because there was so little left. I really wanted to just get it out of the way. As per the self-imposed rules of this project pan, I will now introduce 3 new products into this project pan. I introduce 1 new product for 2 products used up. The first product is what I've already mentioned, and that is a foundation. This is by Bourjois. This is Healthy Mix Serum Foundation. I really like this foundation, but at this point it's just really old, and on top of that this shade is actually too dark for me, so it is likely that I will have to mix it with another lighter foundation to be able to use it up. I am not 100% sure where I'm at but I think I'm somewhere here. So there's literally just this bit left. I suspect a couple of months and I will be done with this foundation. The next item is a contour powder because I've used up the Inglot one. I use contouring powders on an everyday basis and I don't have very many of them, but I have one that is broken, like the packaging is broken, there's no lid on it, so I really want to use it up, and it's actually with a really big pan in the center. So this is the contouring powder I'm introducing. This is by Sleek. This is actually a duo, but I'm not going to be introducing the highlight just yet because I still have a highlight in this project pan. As you can see, a big pan in the center, but you really don't need much. I have learned that you don't need much of this particular product, so I think it's going to be a matter of a few months, maybe actually the rest of the year for me to actually use this product up. And the last item is an Opi Nail Polish. This is in My Point Exactly, and this is a grey nail polish. Now this is actually a fairly new acquisition. I don't normally introduce new products into my project pan. I, in general, use project pan to use up my oldest products, but this nail polish is just not very good. I have it on my nails and the color is really pretty and I really like it, but this is about 10 coats of this nail polish. This nail polish is so sheer, so watery, that if you apply 1, 2, 3 coats, you can't see the color. This would be perfect for, let's say, French manicure, but other than that, I don't really do French manicure, but other than that, if you wanted to use it as a regular nail polish, it's a lot of work to actually make it opaque enough on your nails so that you can actually see the color. So this is why I'm introducing this nail polish into this project pan. I just don't have the patience. So I've applied it to my nails, and as I said, I really like the color, but in the future I will most likely just use it on my toes because that's what I do with my project pan nail polishes. This is, as I said, a new acquisition, so it is pretty much full. This is where I'm at, but this is literally just because I applied 10 coats of this nail polish for the sake of this video to show you the color. I just have no patience for products like this, so project pan is the perfect place for a nail polish that I resent at this point. It is full and there's only about 4 months left till the end of the year, but given the fact that I need to apply so many coats to my nails to actually show the color, I suspect that I will have it done by the end of the year nevertheless. Okay, so these have been the products that I've used up and the replacements, so now it's time to show you the products that I have not used up yet, but some of the products are showing a lot of promise and most likely will be done by the next update. Too Faced powder in light cocoa. This is from a face palette, so this is the one over here. There's almost nothing left, as you can see, literally just a little bit around the edges, so I am very much confident it will be done before the next update. The next item that I am certain will also be done by the next update is this highlighter. This is there's almost nothing left here. This is by Maybelline. That's all there's left, like literally just some dust here and this little chunk of highlight, so I will definitely have it used up by the next update. The next item that I am very much hoping I will have used up by the next update is the Perfume by Clarins. Oh, I should have literally googled how to pronounce this by this stage. It's Eau de Namissant, and that's Vitality, Freshness, Firmness. This is like an aromatherapy perfume because it smells of lavender. So I am somewhere here. I've not marked it yet, but I will mark it after I've shot this video. So there's about this much left. So I am really hoping that I will have it used up by the next update. And the last product that I am hoping I might have used up by the next update is a lip gloss. This is by Max Factor. This is in 06 Cloudy Red Max Effect lip gloss. At present, that's the only lip gloss I am using because I do want to use it up. It's quite big, it's at 13 mils. I cannot show you progress on it because the lip gloss is literally all over the tube, but I use it religiously. I use it about, I would say on average 3 times a day. It's just that you don't really need much because it's pretty opaque. So it is a slow progress, but I can definitely see that when I squeeze it, I have to squeeze it harder and harder to get any product out. Hence my hope that I will have it used up by the next update. The next two products are also lip glosses, but I've not made any progress with them because I am concentrating on that Max Factor lip gloss. So the other lip gloss is also by Max Factor from the same range, Max Effect lip gloss, and this is in 05 Weekend Spa. Absolutely no progress here. And the other one is a mini by Estee Lauder, and this is in 06 Magnificent Mauve. This is from the Pure Color Gloss range. So that's the lip gloss. Again, haven't used it even once because I'm trying to use up the other one. I'm kind of all over the place today with showing you the items. Normally I try to stick to one category like face, eyes, etc. But today it's just like anything goes. The next product is for nails, and this is a peel-off base, like no brand. I got it from Amazon. I have made some progress, as you can probably see, so that's where I'm at, more or less. It's a slow progress, but I try to use this peel-off base only when I'm using glitter on my nail polish, because that's a pain to remove the usual way with a nail polish remover. So I am kind of saving this product just for glitter nail polish, hence the progress is pretty slow but steady. The next product is by Bourjois, and this is a loose eyeshadow in 17 Regard or Scintillant. I've emptied this container into this cup, let's call it a cup. It's a lid from one of my Real Techniques brushes. I can't really mark it just yet, so this is where I was in the last update. I don't want to mark it because I would literally have to put a mark right below. They might actually merge at some point, but because now I've used up the eyeshadow that I was primarily focusing on, the Avon one, I kind of have a space in my everyday makeup routine to start working on this one, which I have. I have now been using it for a couple of weeks, I would say, but I do use other eyeshadows as well, hence the progress is pretty slow. But nevertheless, I mean, there's just not that much product left, and it's a loose eyeshadow, and these tend to get used up a little bit faster than a regular eyeshadow. So while I think this will probably stay with me till the end of the year, it's fine. I'm fine with that. And actually I have it on my eyelids today. My makeup nowadays, whenever I use this eyeshadow, consists of this, and this. These are all Project Pan items. I would say this is a no brand eye palette, but it's from a shop called Next, which is actually a clothing shop. I got it as a gift years ago. This is a really old palette. So I am working on this eyeshadow. This one here, I have made some progress. I use it almost every day. I actually use it as my eyebrow powder, and I also use it to kind of contour my eyes. So this is like a base for my makeup whenever I use the Bourjois eyeshadow. And then I follow up with this by Collection. This is actually an eyebrow shadow, but it's too dark for my eyebrows. So what I do, I just use it all over the lid, and then I top it up with the Bourjois eyeshadow, and it actually gives a really nice kind of vintagey golden look, which I really like. That's how I'm basically using these three products. So I have made progress on this, you might be able to tell. It's kind of like an eyeshadow product, and I don't really use all that much, even though I use it every day, so the progress is pretty slow. One more product for my eye area. This is a MAC Eyeliner Pencil. Again, I use it on an everyday basis. Oh, I dropped the lid. It's getting smaller and smaller. Basically, I make the same amount of progress every single month, so I think I've sharpened it about 3 times in the last few weeks since the last update. I really like this product. It's very nice, very creamy. It's like a really dark grey color, so it's not super dark. Works really well for an everyday makeup, and I am of course wearing it on my eyes today. And the last product is a body product. This is a body bronzer by Elizabeth Arden. This is a cream product, and it comes with this sponge. It's already September, so it is a little bit cooler here in London. There's not much skin that I'm showing nowadays, so I literally use this only on my neck, and it's a big product. Unfortunately, I don't think I will have it used up this year because I think I will have to roll it out, just because the color it gets. If I start wearing a scarf, there's no point for me to be wearing bronzer on my neck because, you know, my scarves are gonna get dirty. So I suspect that I will be using it for another month or so, but then I might have to just replace it with a different product, which is a shame, but it's okay. I have made some really good progress with this product. I will probably try to use it up next year. And this is it, guys. These are all of the products that I'm still working on in this project pan. There's less and less of them, and I actually get really excited when I have a new product that I can roll in because I've used something up. So as I said, in the next update, I suspect I am hoping to have 4 empties. Fingers crossed, but a really good update, 6 empties, a lot of progress on the remaining items. Thank you so much for watching. I do hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please make sure to give it a like and please subscribe to my channel. Another update will probably be published in October, so stay tuned for that, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys.